Hello, in this video I will be reviewing the AI Trend Booster Indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator helps us identify the market trend and also displays a line on the chart as a dynamic support and resistance line. This indicator is made up of two lines, with the line that changes between green and red indicating the trend. When this line is green, it signals an uptrend, and when it is red, it indicates.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
The downtrend in the market. The second line, which we see here in dark blue, can be used as a dynamic support and resistance. When the price is above this line, we can consider this line as support. And when the price is below this line, we can consider this line as resistance. For signaling with this indicator, we can act as follows. When the price is above this dark blue line and our trend line also turns green, we can enter a buy position, and when this line turns red, we exit the position. And conversely, when the price is below this line and the trend line is red, we can enter a sell trade, and when the trend line turns green, we exit the trade. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. First, in the settings, we have the alert. This is for when we have a trend reversal, meaning when the trend line changes from green to red or vice versa, from red to green. If this is set to true, it will issue an alert for us. The next option is an alert in the form of a message that is displayed on the screen. The next option is an audio alert. If set to true, it will also issue an audio alert for us. The following option is for email alerts. If set to true, it will send an alert to our mailbox as well. The next option is the file used for the audio alert. If the audio alert is set to true, it will play this file for us. The next option is for the price on which the calculations are performed, and we can choose from among these options. The next option is the smoothing period for this dark blue line, where we can specify its period. The next option is the trend line color for when the trend is downward. And the following option allows us to set the trend line color for the upward trend. The next option lets us adjust the color of this bold blue line. And the last option is the number of candles in the past on which the chart performs its calculations. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Finally, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comment section to help improve the indicators.